Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel again, and today we're going to explore my second project that we create, and this one is our website. And so first we will walk through our HTML code. So we all know what is this one. It's understandable, and we first talk about the header section. This is the header section, and we create uh, a div element here to divide the header section, and we also create a class container header so that it will have a like easy to call when we go on to the CSS later on. And also we create logo for class, and we create class also for navigation links and list, uh, an ordered list for the navigation links. Next one is the main section. For the main section, we put on main element here, and also we put class container main section, and also we for the call to action section with the section content like resources and articles, matcha benefits, and also the descriptions is here. Is it is a another section, and another section for the image placeholder is another div element. So it's easy to us for arrange and style later on in CSS. So this footer section, we put footer element same as the header, for, and we put div a element to create style also, and class also for the footer. And also as you notice, we put in the paragraph element here matcha 2026 matcha. There is a character and copy. I just copy it, and this one is for the credits uh, sign like C inside, and there's circle, and also for the navigation for the footer. We move on to the style that we created from the HTML. So this one asterisk, this one is I just researched it that when browsers are suggesting some styles, and we don't want to create, we don't want to interrupt our own design, so we made to reset the the suggesting design for the browsers. So we put body, we call the body to style, and this is their design. And also for the container, for the header, this one is the design, and the navigation design, the background color, and we header is flex so that it will uh, go into the uh, specific position. So we want to put the navigation the header on the specific location where it wanted where we wanted. And also for the logo, we design also, and the logo image, logo class, and the logo and the image inside the logo class. And also for the header, for the the matcha matcha, this one, and this one is the navigation on the header part. And also the designs for the navigation links, and also the hover, like when we click the navigation, it will create a design that is like a moving, something like that. And also the main section, for the main section here, this is the main section, uh, same as the image with display. And this one is the main section design. And so we created the section part of the our website. This one, the left side, we create the content flex, so it will arrange it uh, on the right side. And the h2 heading, the design of the h2 heading, and also the h3 heading, h3, and also the paragraph. This one is the design. And the call to action button, this one is the call to action button. We call it CTA for the class. And over, so it will will move. And also active, when we, active is like when we press, it will show that this one is clickable, like that, like when we release, like that. And the image on the right side, the matcha image, reflects also to arrange in a specific position. And the image for the design and the border, the back shadow, uh, and also hover, so it will move also. So the footer for the navigation links content, we design it. The this one, it's the same flex, uh, the design of the paragraph, and also the navigation links, and also the links, the a element for the links, and also a hover also, same as in the header part. And also this one is I added this one, so because I think it will be responsive, and also it will automatically organize to the different types of devices, whether you are using a iPhone, phones, tablets, and etc. It will rearrange to the specific device that you're using. So at media, this one I just researched it, so it will recreate all the designs same as on the desktop. So like this. Thank you for watching, and thank you for exploring my another project, and two more projects for my journey. And goodbye. Thank you.